Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got a nice casual digital watch face for you to help you through the work week. And yes, people, I know the Monday grind continues, but remember, it's going to be okay. Just continue to grind. Now, the name of this watch face is called Multicolor. It's a nice digital watch face that offers a lot, considering that the watch face is free. And even in the always on mode, you're going to get a really nice look for the Gears 2. And the Gears 3 is just going to simply be dimmed down in a dark theme mode, but it's also going to give you your digital time at a glance with no problem. Now, looking at this watch face, I do like the font. I love the layout. I love big numbers as well. You're going to get your battery info to the right. Up at the top, you're going to get your step info, miles walked or ran. Down at the bottom, you're going to get your date. The whole layout of this watch face looks beautiful, and you're going to get your calories burned. So I like the look and the design of this watch face. I'm giving the developer 3 thumbs up for this awesome digital watch face because I'm loving the font design on this one as well. And you can customize the color of this one. Just tap on it, double tap, and you can change the color theme of this watch face. And you got quite a few to choose from as well. That red is awesome. You got to see it in person. It really shows vibrant. But yeah, people, this is worthy of a download. It's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. And as I said about the last one, something like this may not stay free for long. So make sure you download ASAP. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this one, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.